Frankford and Pratt Street, going for a bike ride. And what we're doing today is we're going to ride the bike underneath the L to right before the Spring Garden Street L stop. But this is, the reason why I chose this route today to go under the L is because I now own the loudest bike horn in the world. Deckhand John sent this to my P.O. box. I'll just give you a little. That wasn't even. I was 6%. So what we're going to do is we're going to ride down this way. Now, last time I was on Kensington Ave, people were falling asleep in front of my bike. Well, this is good now. I can wake people up. So let's get ready as we go for a bike ride. Underneath the L. Kensington Ave, Frankford Ave, Front Street. I could also get an update from my dad if Mickey's gym was knocked down. I tell him it's not. We'll see. It's exciting. All these questions will be answered on this episode of Phila PA. Now, some of this street has a bike path. Like right now, technically, I'm supposed to be in the street, but honestly, I'm not blocking traffic. So I'm going to ride on the pavement. And listen, if that offends you, I get it. It doesn't offend me. There it is. So we're going to be going through Frankfurt, Harrogate, Kensington, East Kensington, Fishtown, Northern Liberties. Oh, it's a magical. Oh, there they are. The Philadelphia Parking Authority. The fact that they make you pay to park. Oh, they used to have the quarter meters, like the meter maids. Now it's all done on the. Okay. We're just going to go slow. We're not going to go fast. I haven't ridden the bike in a week or so. It is a beautiful day. 68, 70. That guy's wearing a winter coat. Me, I'm wearing a t-shirt. Uh-oh, how you doing? This thing's ridiculous. Oh, what are they smoking? Oh my God. What the fuck were they smoking? That didn't smell like any drug I've ever smelt before. All right, we're at Margaret and Orthodox. Let's see. This is Frankfurt. I've made 2 videos about the history of Frankfurt. Lots of, especially right around here is where John Adams was given the Frankfurter lice. I explained that in that video. That should pop up if I remember to do that. Oh, Kramer's uniforms. I thought that's where the Frankfurt device happened. Oh no, right here, right here. Alright, now this is Frankfurt Ave. I'm at the 4500. And what I'm doing is I'm just going to go underneath the L. Oh. Okay. There it is, a video store. One of the last video stores in the world, right here. How is that? Who is renting movies? I go to Redbox. I buy movies used for $2. And I bought a DVD like a month ago. I said, what the hell am I doing? I don't even have a DVD player. It was just such a good bargain. I got Practical Jokers, the movie. And then the day after I got the movie on DVD, I had to get HBO Max. And then, it was on HBO Max. So Mrs. Cat, we'll stop buying DVDs. That's not what she said. She was actually supportive. She goes, no, that's good. Sometimes the internet goes out. We can watch a movie. Okay. Why she's good. She fills gaps. Uh-oh. There you go. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. There you go. Church Street. Take me to church. And now, this is where Frankfurt Ave turns into, well, it doesn't turn. Frankfurt Ave keeps going this way. And then Kensington Ave will appear to our right. And I thought there was a bike lane. There it is. Hooker Park. And one of the oldest houses in the United States is a block away from here. Here's the dirty movie theater. Art Holiday. Oh. You can still read the sign. Now showing dirty movies. And over there is Hooker Park. I found out the real name of that park a few years ago. It's called Warmest. It's not legally called Hooker Park, but that's what everybody called it. Not that I ever picked up a hooker, but I'm assuming that's what you did at Hooker Park. But right here, look at this. Oh, what is this old house? Oh, it's got a historical thing. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, look at this. So this is the Worrell Winter House. It was a mill and a grist mill. Look, it has a historical thing. You should see the first video I made at this house. It was dilapidated, falling apart. And I've made a few videos where I get to know some of the developers. Like, they send me emails and shit about their whatever. This guy, the guy who owns that building, is the only developer who saved the building and is going to make it something. It's really good guy. Andy's his name. Immigrant from Israel, and he got the house real cheap. I think he got it for $1 on the sheriff's sale, but he put a lot of money in to fix it, and he took in a lot of input from historians. So, good guy. All right, here we are. Here we are! Huntington Park, Huntington. I say Huntington and Huntington. Wrong. I call them both Huntington. Okay, we are at Erie and Torresdale. So we're only like a 15-minute walk from K&A, I think. Maybe 20 minutes. So we'll be probably at one of the craziest places on the planet Earth. Definitely one of the crazy places in the United States. Erie and Torresdale. And you see here, there's a bike lane, which is good. Uh-oh. That guy's using my typical method. When I ride my bike, I like to have the traffic facing me. Especially down here, no telling, you might have like some goofball drug addict ride into you, you know? Actually, yeah, I am going to cross the street. All right, Castor Ave. All right. Moving down. Oh, are they redoing this building too? Oh, they are. Oh, they're gonna make this something. This building here. You can usually tell they're starting it, they redid all the new windows. Oh boy. I gotta talk to somebody. The Diamond Furniture. I think it's a Tioga and Kensington. There are apartments there. And I gotta talk to somebody. If you know anybody who rents an apartment there, they gotta sell it to me. I need to know why. You can rent houses in Bridesburg, like $1,400-1,500. You have a whole house. Why would you rent an apartment in Kensington, Tioga? I think they're $1,000. Okay, here we go. This is where the shadiness, well, it's shady down the entire thing, but this is where the entertainment begins. Uh-oh, it runs out of air fast. Oh, this guy loves this song. Everybody, I'm going to open my windows and blast this. I know, Diamond. Where the hell's Diamond Furniture? Kensington Tioga, here we are. Oh, they cut the grass. It smells good. When's the last time you smelled cut grass? In a while. Okay. J Street. There it is. These are the apartments. Diamond Furniture. There you go. Who loves this song? Oh, I love two guys. Oh, it saved my life. All right. Kensington and Thayer. Oh, there he is. A parking authority. My buddy worked for the parking authority. And he had this beat. He had Kensington Ave. He said he had to kind of make deals with businesses, like to kind of keep a lookout for each other. And you would get like free food from places so they can keep their cars parked in front of their businesses because they didn't want their cars to get broken into. Chaos and anarchy, always. Willard Street. Shit. Uh-oh. There it is, Kensington and Allegheny. Fuck. There's a church group giving out shit or praying over. Oh, it's Palm Sunday. Holy shit. Oh my fucking God. Holy shit. There has to be 100 people there. Holy shit. It's crazy. Every time I drive past that spot, there's always somebody just shooting up right in their fucking neck. This ain't no place to be honking this fucking horn. I'll get shot. Good. Holy shit, man. Spring is in the air on Kensington Ave. Wow. It's always it's a lot less crowded when it's really, really cold, which makes sense, you know. Oh, and also the L stop's closed at Kensington to Somerset. So I wonder if that caused people. Holy shit! If that caused people to migrate. There's another church organization giving out clothes. Well, at least that's nice, you know. Holy shit, people with tents. There was a protest down here the other day. The neighbors marched to the streets demanding, you know, an end to anarchy that's been here for years. Yeah, I think that might be it. There it is, the dirty movie store. Uh-oh. That's an indigo bike, yeah. There ain't no indigo bike cracks around here. This is the Somerset L stop. Yeah, no, it still smells like bum piss and defecation. So, and there's still people who are hanging out at the beer store. was in the wrong, and I made it right. Oh, I was going to show you where Rocky lived. I'm going to not do that. Oh, you know what? No, let's do it. He lived down there. I'm turning the fuck around. And the house he lived in Rocky 5 is down that way. Guess what? Uh-oh. Oh, it's out of air. Okay, well, look, I made it through here. Boy, every time. I don't know how something the worst keeps getting worse every time I go. It keeps getting worse and worse. There used to be a movie theater around here. Was it the Kent or the Stars? Let me know in the comments below. All right. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh my God, I just saw a woman flash her privates to an old man, and he gave her money. You can't, certain things you can't unsee. How the fuck did... She had ripped jeans, she pulled it over to the side and let the... I don't know how I could describe it legally and not get censored. Oh, well, I can get censored, you know what I'm saying? She didn't show the boobs, she showed the other part. Uh-oh. Holy God, I would make a movie about that. I call it, not Pretty Woman, but something else. About this guy who has a woman flash her vagina. Oh, is that funny? So yeah, once you get past Lehigh Avenue, the head on the swivel calms down. I don't have to worry about somebody jumping out from behind a car and there it is. Giant Jesus. I like this mural. All right. Look at their signs. It's Joe's Bakery. Uh-oh. Oh, we're not saying that no more. Oh, it's so hard. You ever try to quit a verbal crutch? Oh, what? You never had a verbal crutch? What, you're normal? Oh, okay. So down here is, this kind of reminds me of what Kensington Ave was like in the 90s. With the stores and shit. See, I could see myself paying $1,000 to live here. Go ahead, you go, I go. Jesus Christ. Oh, wait, no. No, okay. Woo, I thought that was Mickey's gym. My dad had a coworker say, oh, they knocked down Mickey's gym. And, yeah. And, I think your friend was wrong, Dad. Yeah, he was wrong. There it is. Well, it was a cafe. There's the entrance right there. This is Mickey's Gym. Right here, Rocky 5. Over there was the... over there, that was the pet shop where Adrian worked at. Uh-oh. We're not saying that, no. Our guy just ran over an aerosol can. Oh wow, look at this, front and diamond. Kensington Ave turned to Front Street a while ago, I guess. Come on. Wow, look at these, this is all new. Rhino protein bar. Uh-oh. I bet you that's to make you think that you can get your thing working. Oh, I should go buy it for the guy who was paying $20 to look at the prostitute's vag. He probably could do more with that $20. That Rhino stuff. All right, Burke Street. This is Fishtown. This is Fishtown. East Kensington. These bikes here. You can rent bikes. And these bikes here are, you can rent them by the hour, and you could drop them off at other bike stations around the city. That is the most northern bike thing. How you talk? What's he talking about, Ma? I don't know what the fuck he's talking about. There you go. You ever see a mural of a pigeon? That's Bert and Ernie. That was Bert's favorite animal. Bert was a goofball. I was always Team Ernie, right? Who the hell likes Bert? Nobody. I've never met one Bert fan. Look at this guy. He said stop signs optional for me. Yeah. How you feel about that? I don't know. Yeah, a very controversial stance. I like Ernie. I tolerate Bert because I like Ernie so much. This is a conversation a 45-year-old man needs to have. Here's a Evil Genius Brewery. They make craft beers, but the best names. Like they have one, I like Lamp as a beer. And I always buy the beer because of the name. And I don't even care what it is, like an IPA or a stout or, you know. And then I get it, and it's usually like some shit wheat beer. I hate wheat beer. So, yeah, I never really enjoyed beer. My friend who reads the bottles, he says they're good. almost near the... Oh no, my air horn! Chaos and anarchy! Oh, the screw fell out. Shit. Pause. Alright, back at it again. Uh-oh. Oh shit, what happened? Oh no. There we go. There we go. All right. There it is, the L bar. I don't know if you noticed the, yeah. It's a little quieter, it's peaceful. Uh-oh. Yeah, all right, let's take a selfie.
Ready?
I'm ready. Let's get ready to get ready. This guy's ready. He said, fuck it, I'm leaving this truck right here. Roly poly, sing. There it is. Oh, you know what? These guys told me to stop by their house one day. I made a video about this place called the Galdo Parcel. It's a little plot of land that the city kind of just gave up on, and this guy he took care of it for 20 years. And then the city said, yeah, you know what? That's our property. We're going to fix it now. So every time I go by his property, the parcel. Why did I say parcel? Parcel. Uh-oh. We're not saying that. The city keeps building more and more on it. We're near the end of this bike ride. My favorite thing about these bike rides is when I go home, I upload them, I see how long it takes. I think this is like a, I don't know if it's from my house or from the Bridge and Pratt. I think I did 7 miles so far today. But I live in Bridesburg, so. Wheelchair Willie, who about him? We don't care about him here in Fishtown. Yeah, see, oh no, there's more and more. Those bastards. See, this is his property. He took care of the, I guess it was all the neighbors. But, oh, there they are. Alright, so, yeah, so then, this is their property. She's taking care of it now. And then the city sold that plot of land. Oh, so that means this is going to be all parking, I bet you. I hope I'm wrong. There it is, Carvana. If you ever seen anybody buy a car from Carvana, my neighbor, she bought a car. She said, hey, why don't you come along? Watch me buy a car from Carvana. I said, no problem. And if you notice, the L structure's changed. It's no longer that metallic, that blue. It's cement. And we're getting very close to the end. Because pretty soon it just becomes part of like 95. Right here I can see it. Oh. As boys to men say. What the hell do they say? Although we go. I don't know what that part is. To the end of the road. Still I can't let go. It's so nice. Oh, I don't know the words to Boys to Men. I love Boys to Men. That's it. We did it all the way to the end. This is how far you can go underneath the L. Hey, if you like this video, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up. While you're at it, hit subscribe. Want to mail me some biking gear like John did? Send it to my P.O. box. John, I love it. Thank you so much for buying it for me. It's going to be a good thing. I was playing with it a lot before I started filming. That's why it didn't last so long. The hell am I? Who am I? Why am I here? Make sure you hit like and subscribe on this mural. And now, sail with you later. Toodles.